Hi, this is Brian Goatee with the Arizona Geological Survey. This is a short video of the Sunset Point landslide complex located north of Black Mesa City and that location map on the bottom left. This is a drone flyover video, just kind of sitting in place and panning from the east looking to the south. I-17 is there in the middle ground, and in the background is Agua Fria Canyon cutting through Black Mesa. New River Mountains are in the far background on the horizon, and as we pan to the south, we start to see this hummocky terrain inset below a long linear dark ridge. That's the top of the landslide complex and the scarp. These capping basalt flows are dislocated from the Black Mesa part, and you can see the extent of part of the landslide. It's so big you can't really see all of it in this video. But landslide is composed of these rubble of basalt flows capping the chalk canyon sediments below. And we'll finish off the video panning off to the south into Bumblebee Wash.